Okay, welcome to Swell Academy. Today we're looking at inverse functions, more specifically with fractions. Remember, when we're looking at an inverse function, part of how to solve for an inverse is to switch your x and a y, and then this should have been a plus, and then get your y by itself, and this will help you get an inverse function of x plus 2. Makes sense. We'll do the same with this fraction here, but what we'll experience is that there's quite a few steps and moves that are required for you. We're switching the y and the x right now, that are required for you to get this inverse function. And we see that we've have our y's on the other side. So first thing I want to do is just try to start to work to get my y by itself. So the first thing I could do is basically multiply both sides by 3y minus 9 times x. And I will, when rewriting it, I will do 3yx minus 9x is equal to 4y minus 6. It looks more like a 4. And then let's go ahead and bring my y to this side. Subtract 4y from both sides. And I'll end up with let's bring it up here so we have some space here. I'm going to end up with let's put the 4y out in front. Negative 4y plus 3yx minus 9x is equal to negative 6. I'm going to bring, again, I'm just trying to get the y by itself. So I'm going to bring the 9x to this side. So I end up with negative 4y plus 3yx is equal to 9x minus 6. And the final important piece here is that factoring piece. So I actually want to take the y out, which is going to help me. And I get negative 4 plus 3x equal to 9x minus 6. And here I've gotten the y by itself. I am going to rewrite this as y 3x minus 4 is equal to 9x minus 6. Just because I want it in this ax plus b format over cx plus d format. So I want we're going to be listing it in order of highest degree. And final step, just dividing both sides by 3x minus 4. These cancel out. And my inverse function of 4x minus 6 over 3x minus 9 is 9x minus 6 over 3x minus 4. And just to quickly go through it again, some steps here, just highlighting so you can follow along, is we want to multiply both sides, 3y minus 9, so we're getting that piece off the bottom. And then I'm going to bring over the 4y. I'm trying to get the y's on the same side here. Get y's on the same side. And then bringing it back up here, what I did was I brought the 9x over to the right side because what I'm attempting to do is get the two terms with y in it on the same side, which is what I did there. And then we factored out this y. We're factoring out this y. So let's put a little note there. Just kind of factor out y. You're going to have to do that. And what that does is, by factoring out y, it gets y by itself. And then just moving forward, I have a 3x minus 4 here, which I'm going to eliminate by dividing both sides by 3x minus 4. And keep note, we're putting our variables in front, so when we write this, we want to write this as a 9x minus 6. So a few steps here. It gets a little advanced when we're working with the fractions, but you follow some simple moves, some review of algebra, you should be okay. Remember, the more you fail, the more you succeed. So keep working hard.